Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the client is updatable and your connection is direct. This avoids partial authentications. Once done, fully quit the Epic Games launcher and kill related processes in Task Manager so no stalled session remains. Make sure VPNs, proxies, or captive portals are off because they block token exchange. Then run the launcher as administrator to allow network certificate updates and file writes. This primes the app to request fresh authentication rather than defaulting to offline mode. Next, you remove corrupted local session artifacts that force offline behavior. Navigate to %localappdata %backslash-epic games launcher and delete auth cache and web cache folders. These store stale tokens. Once done, clear saved /config cache to reset local state. Relaunch the launcher as administrator so it can re-download authentication tokens and any required update files. As the client fetches fresh credentials, watch for two-step prompts. Follow them to re-establish a valid online session and avoid lingering offline flags. Finally, confirm you can sign in and load the store or a cloud-synced game. Successful token exchange means online mode restored. If problems persist, reset the network stack with Netch WinSock reset, then restart your PC so sockets and DNS caches clear. Make sure Windows date/time and time zone are correct because certificate validation fails otherwise, and inspect the Windows certificate store for revoked or missing root certs. If everything checks out, the launcher should stop defaulting to offline and sync your library normally.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.